Need to combine several video clips into one? You can use VLC Media Player as a simple merging tool. Here's how. First, open VLC Media Player. Go to the Media menu at the top and select Open Multiple Files, or press Ctrl-Shift-O. In the file selection window that appears, choose all the video clips you want to merge. Click Open, then click Add to confirm your selection. Next, in the same window, click the drop-down menu near the bottom that says Play and change it to Convert. Set the profile to MP4 format. Click the Browse button next to the Destination field to choose where you want to save the merged file. Give it a new name to avoid overwriting your originals. Then click Save. Finally, click Start. VLC will now process and combine your selected videos into one MP4 file. Once finished, you can locate and play the merged video. While VLC works for basic merging, consider dedicated editing software like Adobe Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve for more advanced features. That's all for now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.